next day. We are about to load up. We got refreshed. About to get hydrated as well, but we're about to load up and get to Milwaukee so that we can attend the bike night tonight. So we got a long journey ahead of us. So hey, sit back and enjoy the footage. We'll catch you in a little bit. All right, y'all. So we are downtown Louisville, checking out this big, tall Louisville Slugger. I don't know if you can see that. Whoa, there it is right there. The Louisville Slugger baseball battle right over there in the background. We're gonna get some pictures, some videos of it. But getting out riding your bike is all about sightseeing as well. So along your route, whatever route you're taking, make sure you stop and check some things out that are not in your normal route. All right, y'all. Hey, Curtis, what do you think, man? You think it's time for a new pair of gloves?
Yes. Gloves is smoke.
Yo.
Them ain't even gloves no more.
What are they?
I don't know.
Hey, they make room for extra air. You know what I mean?
You don't even need to wear them.
Just go with nothing?
Yeah, that's what I would do.
Oh, man, come on, bro. I can't let them go.
or save them when you get back as history from the trip.
History from the trip, huh? Put them in the shadow box?
Memorabilia.
These gloves have a lot of trips on them. Folks, I think it may be time. This might be the last run for the gloves here. They done been through a lot of smiles and miles and everything. They've been wet. I think I lost one and found it. All kinds of stuff going on, but I think we're gonna wrap those up after this trip, if they make it. We are back at it. We had just arrived at Mann's Harley-Davidson in Indiana. I don't know what part of Indiana, but it's on our route to Milwaukee. So we're gonna go in, take a small break, check out the dealership, and get back to it. All right, guys, we went and checked it out. Awesome dealership, very friendly. They came by and helped us. We grabbed a few little things, and now we're about to get back on the road and keep on pushing. So, hey, miles and smiles, as our friend Retro says. These bikes are hot. Let's see. The Infinite Rider, you having a good time, man?
Hot? I'm having an amazing time.
Yeah.
That's how
my helmet's gonna be smoking out in the heat. That's why it wasn't hard for you to buy a hat. We wasn't hard for you to get a hat. All right, what's going on YouTube? Hey, it's the next day. I don't even know what day it is. Hey, it is what it is. So, some of you may have seen, may have not seen, but Redline Red took a little break yesterday. Was riding and everything just died out. So she said she didn't want to go anymore. With all that being said, we called a tow truck. There's a Harley dealership not far from where we were. They were closed by the time we got the tow truck. It's in the middle of traffic outside of Chicago. So you guys should know how that traffic is. Long story short, tow truck kept the bike overnight. and they're on their way to deliver the bike to Harley this morning so we can find out what's going on with the bike. So we will keep you guys posted. But amongst that, I'm standing outside the hotel waiting for the tow truck. He is nice enough, he's gonna pick me up, and him and the bike is gonna go to Harley. So, hey, y'all stay tuned and enjoy the adventure. All right, guys, we made it. All right, guys, we got the bike here in service, and we're just here hanging out. So we're gonna enjoy the dealership and wait and see what they say, and hopefully we can get back to it. Fancy camera, man. David from, how do you say that?
Harley-Davidson Valparaiso.
Okay, I was saying it wrong.
Valpo, you call it Valpo.
Valpo, okay. It's David. So they are helping us out on service. I was trying to pick me up.
Headed to Milwaukee? Or?
Yeah, headed to Milwaukee. Bike broke down, man. So I called you guys yesterday, and they said they'd jump on the first thing in the morning. So we got tow from your local guy. And
is that your red bike that came in?
Yeah.
I saw it come in. I'm like, well, it doesn't look crashed.
No. Thank God, right?
Make yourself at home. If you need something, just let me know.
Hey, I appreciate it. If y'all in the area, hey, come check out
Appreciate
David.
it.
Yeah,
Appreciate
awesome.
it.